Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I was not planning on filming this video, but because this box arrived at my door today and not on Monday, which is what it said it was going to do, I wanted to go ahead and film this video. Now, if you follow Jeffree Star, if you are a fan of his cosmetic line, you know that there were the mystery boxes. There was a $40 box and a $75 box. Now, when they hit the market, when they hit the internet, I was on vacation in London and I was trying to get onto the website, but I was having some issues. By the time I was able to get through, all the $75 mystery boxes were sold out. So I went with the next size down, which was the $40 box, which is what I have today. And I'm excited because I love the Jeffree Star Cosmetics line. I love watching his YouTube videos. There's such great products that he has put out. I could go on for days about the velour liquid lipsticks, which were my first liquid lipsticks I ever owned, and the longevity and the staying power and how beautiful they are on the lips. But that's not what we're here for. We are here because I received my $40 mystery box in the mail and I want to see what's in there. Now, the package itself is really pretty. It's got that Valentine's Day theme. It's red with the pink Jeffree Star logos, and then of course the question marks because we don't know what's in here. Going ahead, we're gonna open it up and see what is on the inside. It looks very small, but I wasn't expecting anything less because it was a $40 box. Now, the last time these were put out was around Black Friday, I think, and there were, I want to say 3 different sizes. I'm just glad that I purchased it this time. I wasn't able to for Black Friday. They sold out pretty quickly, and by the time I found out or had even looked at my Instagram and everything that was going on, they were gone. Let's dig in and see what I got in this box. Now, on the inside, I already see a Jeffree Star pop socket. This, I'm not sure how much it retails for. I don't actually think these are sold on the website, but I always like a pop socket. Like, I have a pop socket on the back of my phone right now. I love this thing. Like, it's just so easy to hold on to. So when I have to go and replace this case, I will replace my pop socket as well. In here, there's a skin frost. It looks like there are some velour liquid lipsticks and then a lip ammunition. Let's dive in. Okay, so the first item is the skin frost. This is in the shade Mint Condition. Mint Condition. This is that green one. This is that green highlighter. Do I think that this would be the color that I would pick for myself? No. But I'm always interested to try new stuff out. I obviously do very bold eye looks sometimes. And you know what? A green highlighter. Ooh, that is probably not going on my face as a highlighter unless I do a very extreme look. Oh my, oh, that's so buttery. Hey, you know what? St. Patrick's Day is coming up very soon. St. Patrick's Day is in March. I just might need a green highlighter all over my face. Oh, there's so much still on my hand. Oh, it's buildable. Oh my goodness, it is so buildable. Okay, there's still more on my hand. Oh my goodness. Okay, Jeffree, like, you did this. You did that. What in the heck? I didn't think I needed a mint colored highlighter, but apparently I was wrong. But that is killing it. I didn't think I needed it, but I was wrong, and thank you, because yes. So I got 3 of the velour liquid lipsticks. So the first one is in the shade Jeffree Who, which I already have, so I will be gifting this to one of my friends. But this is a beautiful shade. I'm not gonna open this because I'm going to gift it to a friend. The next one is in the shade Scandal. I was actually just about to order this online, and I'm glad that I didn't because I got it now. It's just kind of like a purpley mauve color. And then the next one is in the shade Diva. Now, I think Diva is like that Barbie pink color. It is. Okay. This may not be my color. I don't know that that is my color pink, but I'm sure I can find a reason to wear it. And then we have a lip ammunition. This is in the shade Popsicle Dream. If it is the color of that sticker, don't know what I'm gonna do. And it is. That is definitely a color. I am very comfortable with bold eye colors. I'm not so sure about bold lipsticks. Maybe we'll do this, I don't know. We will see. We will see. Okay, so like I said, I purchased this for $40. Let's total up the full cost of this. Okay, so the Skin Frost Mint Condition is $29. The Velour Liquid Lipsticks are $18. And then the Lip Ammunition are also $18. And then pop sockets, I think I got my pop socket for like $10 on Amazon. So add that in for $10. So total for this box is $111. I only paid $40, which is a huge, huge savings, because I was actually gonna buy one of these. And I didn't know that I needed a mint highlighter, but that is beautiful. I think if I use a light hand, it'd be really pretty. It'd give it like a very subtle green highlight. But if I go in heavy handed, I will have the perfect highlighter for St. Patrick's Day. And then who knows? I might find other reasons to use this. Maybe it'll be an inner corner highlight for when I use green eyeshadows, or who knows? I can get creative. So $40 for $111 worth of product. I think that was a great mystery box, especially because I do like the Velour liquid lipsticks, which are beautiful. And I'm interested to see what I can do with this one. Maybe I can do like an ombre effect. Maybe I can use it as a eyeshadow, because these are actually eye safe. And I'm interested to see what I can do as far as creativity. But you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure to hit that bell icon for notifications of new videos, which go up 3 times a week. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And until next time, you guys, bye. And I'll see you on my next video.